What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here. King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0, that's my second blog channel. King Hussle X1M, that's my music channel. I just dropped some new music over there and music videos. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, that's my reaction channel. And Turn Motivation into Memes, that's my motivational channel. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? Which means there's no way for you guys to keep talking to these fake King Hussle pages, having whole conversation with these fake King Hussle pages. I will never write anyone saying, yo, what's up? You want to do some, want to buy this, want to buy that, especially illegal things, fraudulent things. So, red flag right there. And before you send your money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you're seeing this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So it's Monday, early. We get into it. We about to get this week started. We about to start getting to this money because, like I said, I'm here to help motivate. I'm here to help you guys learn new ways to make money. I'm here to show you guys how to return your life from being content to being extremely successful, because at the end of the day, it's a lot of people who are content. It's a lot of people who want to be successful, but they have no idea how to be successful. It's a lot of people who only think about, oh, I'm gonna be a rapper so I can get all this money, or oh, I'm gonna be a do all these things that they see the next celebrity or the next person doing to be successful. But everybody has their own niche. Everybody has their own specialty. Everybody has their own thing. Everybody was born with some type of gift, and a lot of people don't figure out what their gift is. A lot of people don't exercise what their gift is, and they know what that gift is. Some people know what their gift is and they're embarrassed to use their gift because it's not what the normal does. It's out the ordinary. Normal people or the regular people aren't doing it. And you got to understand, the people who are weird, the people who are different, the people who are not doing the same thing that everybody else does, those are the people who have a faster success rate, because at the end of the day, everybody is doing the same thing. Everybody is looking the same way. Everybody is dressing the same. So once somebody else does something new and it's fire, not everybody's going to gravitate to that. And that's with anything in life. Just like with music, everybody sounds the same. Everybody's doing the same music. Everybody's talking about the same thing. But once that new sound comes around, once that new topic comes around and it's fire, everybody gravitates that, and now that person has a hit. Now that person is a superstar. Now that person is a celebrity. And that's with anything in life. Just like with fashion, everybody wears the same clothes. Everybody wears Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Amiri, Gallery Department, Bape, Marni, Off-White, Palm Island, Rude, Purple. You got all these brands that everybody wears because we see the next rapper wearing it, or it's out in stores and it costs a lot of money, and then it's going to be something like I said, all they got to do is put it out in the store. We don't even know where it came from. We don't even know the name. We never even heard of it. But long as it's in a high fashion store and we see these rappers wearing it, and a celebrity wearing it, we're going to follow and we're going to wear it, and now we're going to spend our money on it, and now we're investing in it. So you got to understand, the people out there who are rich and famous, or the people who are billionaires and multimillionaires and rule the world, they offer something that everybody wants and needs. So this video, I'm going to help you guys come up with a $100,000 business plan from the startup, because a lot of people don't have a business plan, which makes it harder for them to figure out what they're going to do to become a millionaire in life, point blank period. So you got to come up with a business plan. You got to figure out and sit down and say, okay, what am I going to offer? What am I going to present? What am I going to give the consumer so they can give me what I need? You're going to give them what they want so they can give you what you need. Point blank period. That's how everything in life works. Like I've always broken down to you guys, the 3 Ps. Product, perception, and promotion. Everybody finds a product, you promote it on all these social media platforms, on TV, YouTube, ads, and all that. That's the promotion. And you sell the perception that this product is what you want and what you need to do whatever you need to do. So, and you're going to buy it and you're going to pay for it, and the money's going to come to the person who's offering the product. Point blank period. So everybody who's making a lot of money right now, point in the world period, is offering something. So you got to ask yourself, okay, I want to be a millionaire. I want to be a billionaire. What am I going to offer? What do I have, or what can I learn, or what can I get my hands on that so many people want and need that I can offer it and make money too. Now it's a lot of different trades out here, and there's a lot of different niches out here. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to be a cameraman or something like that. Okay, you're gonna say, okay, you can go easily go buy you a camera. You can pick up a camera. Your phone is a camera, a 4K camera at that. Okay, let's say you don't have enough money for a camera yet. So boom, you got a whole phone with a 4K camera that's doing the exact same thing that camera does. So what is your service going to be? Are you going to do music videos? Are you going to shoot weddings? Are you going to do commercials? Are you going to do real estate videos? Because you want to find your target audience. You want to find the people who are like, you want to direct your service to these type of people mainly. All right, so you want to say, okay, if I'm going to be doing all these type of videos, okay, now let me figure out where I have to go to find these type of people. And social media, you can find anybody from Google to Instagram to Twitter to whatever, and you can find anybody in any different type of niche. So if you're doing music videos, there's a rapper everywhere that you go on Instagram, on every social media platform. If you want to start doing commercials, you got to use your mind, you got to use your brain and say, okay, if this person is offering this type of service, or this person is offering this type of service, maybe they'll need a commercial for their business to promote and put it out there, and maybe put it on different type of platforms so other people can see it. If you're doing real estate videos, okay, go on Instagram and find all these realtors and say, hey, I shoot real estate videos, and I can come do a video or two for you, show you how my work is, and then you start being at these mansions shooting behind the scene videos and all that, and they get paid a lot of money, thousands of dollars, and a lot of people don't understand that. So you start doing good videos of real estate, you doing 10 videos in 3 days, you probably can make $10,000 in 3 days with that, just by picking up a camera. Some people even use their phone. They put their phone on the stabilizer and they go in the house and they do whatever they need. But once you start making capital with it, they invest into their brand, they invest into their product, then they get real cameras, they get drones, they get things like that, and enhance their video production. There's so many different things that you could be offering to people that a lot of people don't understand. So you got to sit down and think and come up with a professional business plan. You got to say, okay, I'm gonna come up with this business plan. This is my product that I'm going to offer. This is my target audience that I'm going to direct my product to, because this product is mainly being offered to these people and they're buying it. Okay, how am I going to promote my brand, my business? And that's when Instagram comes into part. That's when social media comes into play. That's when a website comes into play. That's when an established business comes into play. Because as long as your business is established and you're offering some type of business to people, they always say, okay, what's your Instagram? What's your website? So they can come check you out. So long as they're coming to check you out and they see something that's very good, they're going to want to do service with you. You always want to make sure you look your best and your product is the best. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality of the work that you put out there. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people just like to put out so much work and it don't matter if it's good or not. But some people like to take their time and make sure the product that they put out there is good. So everything that they put out is just phenomenal and they can look like they're at the top of the pyramid at whatever they're doing. Point blank, period. So boom, once you figure out all that, you got to start figuring out, okay, how much money am I going to need to invest out of my own pocket to do this? And some people actually have the brain to figure out how to and make it happen without needing a dollar. Because like I said, everybody has a camera, everybody has a 4K camera on their iPhone. Some people just figure it out. Some people figure out how to download free programs and do certain editing. Some people find apps on their phone to do editing. If it's a will, it's a way. Point blank, period. So we got to start creating these blueprints, these business plans on how we're going to be successful. We got to write them down. We're going to say, okay, these are my top ideas. Okay, what goes into this idea? What will I need for this idea? What's my target audience for with this idea? And then you narrow it down to the best ones that fit for you and your niche and your brain and what you can do, because everybody is different. No one was built the same. No one has the same brain. Everybody can do something different. And at the end of the day, we are the ones who rule the world. We are the ones who create things. We are the ones who build things. We are the ones who start new trends and things like that. So be a part of the mix. Use your brain wisely. Be successful. Step outside the box. Don't do what everybody else is doing. Do something new that everyone is not doing, because once you make it pop, they're going to direct themselves to you, and then you're going to be the head honcho in whatever you're doing. Point blank, period. All right. So everybody out there, it's time to start creating these business plans. It's time to start figuring out what we're going to do, what we're going to offer to the people that it's going to put us in a position to become millionaires. Because, like I said, if someone's doing it, you can do it too. Anything is possible. Never give up. Always believe in yourself. You can be a little crazy, even if no one believes in you, and that little person in your head always telling you to do this and do that, and it's productive. Like, hey, go make that video. Hey, go make that YouTube channel. Hey, go do this, go do that, and it's positive. Maybe that's all you need in your life, because at the end of the day, it's a dog eat dog world. Everybody's out here for self. Everybody is doing something that's going to benefit their self, not the other people, not someone else. Point blank, period. And once you figure that out, your mind, your mentality, how you do things, how you talk to people, how you move will be on point. You will start figuring things out. You just put your hand back in your pocket and say, no one's going to give anything to me, because everybody's out here trying to get something for their self. So why would they give something to me? So now I got to do it like they doing it and get it on my own and do it better and elevate over them. Point blank, period. So let's figure out our niches. Let's figure out our powers. Let's get our game plans together. Write them down. Ele- uh, ele- not elevate, but execute the plan, and I guarantee you you'll be successful in 30 days after you write your business plan down, after you execute every plan, and after you stay consistent. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, shout out to all my Real King Hustle subscribers and new subscribers, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going, y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained too. So all right, so shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company. All right, so if you're looking to elevate, you're looking to step in, you're looking to do some hard work. What I mean by hard work, I mean acting, rapping, podcasting, doing skits, whatever it takes for this production company in your niche, for you to be successful, for us to be successful as a team. We're going to make it happen. All right, models, if you're a beautiful lady out there, you got a good head on your shoulders, you're ready to work, you're ready to try new things. And what I mean by new things, I might have you doing a podcast show. I might have you doing a couple videos that day. I might have you taking some pictures and putting on your website, so you might get placed in a movie. We might even shoot a movie. We're going to do everything that everybody else is doing, but we're going to produce our own content. We're going to put it out there, and we're going to make sure we all get paid. Point blank, period. All right, so you tired of twerking for free, you tired of doing all this for free and looking pretty for free, tap in. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Point blank, period. All right, so let's win together. Rappers, I'm doing music reviews, $200 music reviews. So if you got some music, want me to hear it, tap in with me, send me $200 payment. After you pay, you send me what you got, want me to show, and we're going to chop it up. Listen, nothing in life is free. You will not be able to go to no one in this world, no record label, no A&R, and be like, hey, I'm the next best rapper, I'm the best thing, you need to sign me, sign me, sign me, sign me. We can blow, we can make a lot of money together. No one wants to hear that, all right? You know how many times people hear that on a daily basis? Y'all, how many times y'all ever got a response from any other people that you ever sent y'all music to, sent y'all music video to, and said, y'all need to sign me, all right? So if somebody's giving you the opportunity for your music to be heard, you need to take that opportunity. If you can't invest $200 into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into your career? Point blank, period. This music career, this music game is not free. You're not going to blow up just because you put out music. Point blank, period. You got to pay for marketing. You got to pay for promotion. You got to pay for sometimes interviews. You got to pay for music videos. You got to pay for wardrobe. You got to pay for the drop music mixtapes and albums. You got to pay for placements. You got to pay for all this stuff, and it's not cheap. So if you too cheap to invest $200 into yourself, into a record label that you want to sign to, because you guys are clearly writing me, begging me to sign you, sending me your music, then it's clearly not meant to be. It's clearly not, you don't need to be around me. And then y'all catch attitudes and tell me, oh, you not even all that, when somebody tell you that you got to pay. How fake is you? Who would want to be around you? That's not solid. So y'all be exposing y'all self, point blank, period. So $200 music review, you ain't got $200. Don't send me your music. Don't tell me I need to sign you. Don't tell me we need to work. None of that. All right? Boom. Cameraman out there, you got a good camera, you in Houston, Texas, you cold with that editing, tap in. Let's start making this content. Let's start winning it. Or if you even surrounding areas, Dallas, Texas, period, or can travel to Texas, or can travel, period. Tap in. Let's win. I'm looking for motivated and dedicated cameraman with their head on their shoulders without no who I'm not looking for cameramen that feel like, oh, they got to get paid for everything that they do, because at the end of the day, I know how to get paid off content. If you knew how to get paid off content, you'll be doing it too. So sometimes some people just need to, relax and understand that you're going to get paid. because we're a team. So when we drop this content at the end, when we get paid every month, you're going to get your percentage. The more content, the more views equals more money. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. There's only 4 weeks in a month. And I don't like that. So if you one of them cameramans just, well, I got to get paid for this, I got to pay that, and you don't have a team mentality, don't want to work with you, all right? So keep that in mind. Producers, tap in with me. We can collab on some beats. Also, you want to be mentored by me, it's going to be $3,000. And what I mean by mentored, I'm going to show you all the ways to make money. I'm going to give you all the documents. I'm going to help you create certain pages, certain channels, do a lot of different things that's going to for sure put you in a position to win, all right? And I'm going to mentor you, so it's not going to be no one-time thing, no one-time call, no one-time question thing. And that's what my FaceTime Unlimited Gems too, or all my gems. Unlimited Gems right now is $500. Don't miss out on this deal. You know I like to do deals for people because I get a lot of people say, man, you still doing the I only got 500, only got 500, man, I need this. So tap in with me for a limited time only. Unlimited Gems is $500. FaceTime 101s, up to 2 hours on the call. After 2 hours, you can still ask me questions. I will still help you out. You just got to be mindful that you're not the only one who I'm working with. I have a life. I'm a regular person. I got to do other things too. I'm working. So keep that in mind. I promise you I'm going to get you together. I'm going to help you out, all right? Also, anybody out there looking to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month, and that's just an example. You could be making way more, and even if you was making $10,000 a month, it's still more than what you're making now. It's called YouTube automation, where you don't need a camera, you don't need to even show your face. All you need to do is outsource videos or create the videos yourself, post them on YouTube, and start generating views and start generating money. So if you're interested in that, $500, I'll help you create, I'll teach you how to do that. And for $1,000, I will create your YouTube channel for you. I will drop 5 videos for you, and I'll do the SEOs and all that for you. And I'll help you. We'll build the channel together, and we'll split the payment down the middle, all right? So which means after we do this together, you'll also have the sauce to start making you other channels and putting other people in a position to win to help you make those channels and start making a lot of more money. So invest in yourself and you'll be blessed. Point blank period. All right, it's your boy King Hussle, dropping gems. We're getting back to it early. It's Monday. Happy early Monday. Happy beautiful Monday. And let's get to this money. It's your boy King Hussle. Tap in, get y'all limited gems. Let's get to it. Peace.